Hello! Welcome to my channel! Sa mga baguhan pa sa channel ko, please subscribe. Thank you! Pag-usapan po natin ang 9 benefits of barley grass juice. First, it is a powerful antioxidant. Antioxidants, it is good for our heart and it protects our body from all kinds of radical damage caused when we are exposed to pollution, smoking, and certain chemicals. Then, second, it is known to boost our immune system. Ang immune system natin guys, para lang siyang isang antivirus sa ating katawan. It detects antigens and helps the body to get immunity against them. Para kapag pumasok siya sa ating katawan, we don't get sick from it. Then pangatlo, it detoxifies the body by releasing extra water. So speaking of detoxification guys, isa po itong proseso para ma-remove ang mga harmful substance ng ating katawan. Sa experience namin ng buong pamilya, kapag nag-take kami ng Pure Santi Barley Juice, palagi po kaming naiihi at madalas po ang paglabas ng pawis sa aming katawan. Kaya masasabi ko na maganda talaga ang Pure Santi Barley Grass. Then next, the barley grass juice, it treats ulcerative colitis. Ano ba itong ulcerative colitis? Ulcerative colitis, it is a kind of bowel disease which results in the inflammation of our digestive tract. The disease often leads to the formation of ulcers, affecting the innermost layer of our large intestine and rectum. So kapag nag-iinom ka ng Pure Santi Barley Grass, malalabanan ang pagkakaroon ng ulcerative colitis. So maganda pala talaga siya sa katawan. Panglima, it aids weight loss indirectly by boosting the metabolism. Metabolism is basically the body's speed of burning calories. So dahil ang Santi Barley Grass Juice ay mayaman sa antioxidant at tumutulong sa effective detoxification ng ating katawan, barley grass aids indirectly and help us to lose weight. Pang-anim, it promotes bone health. Maganda din siya para mapanatiling malusog ang ating mga buto. Pang-pito, it improves skin health. So, hindi lang pala sa buto. Nakakatulong siya para mapanatiling malusog ang ating mga buto, kundi para din sa ating skin. So, barley grass juice gives our body the much needed antioxidants which help in repelling free radical damage on our skin. So, ang regular na pag-iinom ng barley grass ay nakakatulong para gumanda ang ating kutis. Wow! So, number 8, it reduces excess acidity. Acidity occurs when your body produces more than what it needs in terms of acids to digest the food you eat. Consumption of barley grass juice helps in balancing out the acid contents in your belly and relieves the burning sensation thus caused. Number 9, the last one, it helps in case of hyperlipidemia. Oh, hyperlipidemia. What is hyperlipidemia? Hyperlipidemia means your blood has too many lipids or fats, such as cholesterol and triglycerides. One type of hyperlipidemia, hypercholesterolemia, means there's too much bad cholesterol in your blood. When extra fats accumulates in your blood, yan po yung nagsasuffer ng isang tao sa isang kondisyon. Regular intake of barley grass juice helps in improving this condition. So yan na po ang 9 benefits ng barley grass juice. Marami siyang naitutulong para mapanatiling malusog ang ating katawan as it contains a lot of health benefits aimed at keeping you healthy and fit. So Santi Barley is a pure organic barley grass powder drink. Ito po yung pinakagusto ng pamilya ko. Blended with one of nature's most potent sweeteners, stevia. This product is best taken before meals. Santi Pure Barley easily dissolved in water. When drinking, just add more or less water to suit your taste and then stir well. With a 3-gram nutrient-packed powder juice, you have the perfect organic drink to complete your balanced diet. Meron din tayong Santi Choco Barley na siyang gustong-gusto ng mga anak ko. It is formulated for children who cannot stand the taste of barley juice. Kasi iba ang lasa ng barley grass juice, yung green. Kaya minsan yung mga bata hindi nila matake yun. Then kaya may Santi Choco Barley. It is a smooth and creamy chocolate drink with 250 mg of organic young barley grass powder. The barley grass powder is perfectly mixed with cocoa powder. Kaya nga, parang pasok sa panlasa ng mga kabataan. kaya pasok sa panlasa ng mga bata. Pwede po itong ilagay sa mainit o di kaya malamig na tubig. For hot drink, just empty 1 sachet, 15 grams po yun, of Santi Choco Barley in 180 ml hot water. Then stir well and enjoy drinking. Pero yung anak ko gusto niya cold. Kaya for cold drink naman, dissolve the contents of 1 sachet in approximately 30 ml of hot water. Then stir briskly, then add cold water to make a glass of 180 ml of cold Santi Choco Barley. Ayan. So, alam nyo na kung anong mga benepisyo na makukuha natin sa barley products. Kami ay umiinom din ng mga barley products. Yung asawa ko, umiinom siya dati ng barley grass capsule. Yung iniinom niya. Tapos, umiinom din siya ng barley grass juice. Mga anak ko, umiinom din ng barley grass choco. Sana po nagustuhan ninyo ang video na ito. And if you find this video helpful for you, then consider subscribing my channel.